Introduction to Privacy Vault apps.
There are specialized tools that help you keep photos, videos, and documents secure on your phone. They provide a private, password-protected space, keeping sensitive files away from prying eyes. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to use these apps to protect your private information and organize hidden photos and files easily and safely.
Choosing the right Vault app.
When selecting a Privacy Vault app, look for strong security features such as PIN, password, or biometric locks, and good user reviews. Popular options include AppLock, Keepsafe, and Private Photo Vault. Check that the app is compatible with your device's operating system, and read the privacy policy to understand how your data is managed.
Setting up your Privacy Vault.
Download and install your chosen Privacy Vault app from the App Store. Open the app and follow the setup instructions. You'll typically create a secure passcode, PIN, or set up fingerprint authentication. Some apps may also offer features like disguise modes or break-in alerts for extra protection. Remember your passcode, as you'll need it each time you access your vault.
Adding photos and files to the vault.
Inside the Vault app, look for options like Add Files or Import Photos. Select the pictures or documents you want to hide from your gallery or file manager. Once imported, the app safely stores them in its secure vault and often gives you the option to delete the originals to prevent them from being found outside the app.
Accessing and managing your hidden files.
To view or manage your secured items, open the Vault app and unlock it with your password or fingerprint. You can view, share, or export hidden files from within the app. If you ever want to remove a file from the Vault, use the app's Export or Restore feature to put it back in your regular gallery or storage.
Tips for enhanced privacy.
Regularly update your Privacy Vault app to benefit from the latest security improvements. Choose strong, unique passcodes and avoid sharing them with others. Be cautious with app permissions and always review privacy settings. For extra safety, consider enabling features like fake vaults or decoy modes if your app offers them.